Hello, dear Dhamma sisters and brothers. I hope that all of you have a wonderful evening. I just wanted to inform something very important. Is that I just wanted to share something very crucial that my root guru, Jabji Trushi Rinpoche, used to always mention. Rinpoche used to always mention that for a practitioner, Dhamma practitioner, it's always important to have the three qualities of wisdom, discipline, consistency, and a good human character. And he used to always emphasize this. And Rinpoche also used to emphasize that a teacher mustn't ever feel like he needs to entertain and water down the Dhamma and water down his character and feel forced to entertain and impress people. A teacher must always do whatever is needed to be done. And a true bodhisattva will never be happy, will always have some amount of sadness, because a bodhisattva cares to do what is right, and bodhisattva cares to do what is important and what is genuine. I know that my voice messages and actions may have caused a lot of people disagreeing and having negative projections on me and having negative comments and words and whatever. I just would like everyone to know, at the end of the day, I'm not trying to achieve anything for myself here. All I wish to do is something better and correct and right, at least in my lifetime. I don't wish to build monasteries and temples, and I don't wish to make big projects and temples and using the name of previous Rinpoche Rinpoche and making a lot of projects. I don't wish to make movies and documentaries and whatever. I only wish to do one thing, is to practice the Dhamma as much as I can properly and to be a genuine human being. That's the sole reason why I dedicate myself fully to do what I must do. I deeply thank everyone for your kindness and for your trust and for your humility, for bearing with me throughout all of this time, and for your care and concerns. Also, I want to bring up to everyone's attention, nowadays there has been a lot of so-called Instagram users and Facebook users that tend to make it look like as if I am behind all of this, as if like it was me using these anonymous personal accounts of Instagram account or Facebook account and whatnot accounts. I would like to warn everyone, please do not fall for these traps and be careful with this. I do not have such personal matters of Instagram and Facebook because I don't like it. I hate Instagram or Facebook. I don't trust Instagram and Facebook. I only have one thing, that is the Khentse Yangsi Rinpoche's Facebook, that I have been having that for a long time, and I don't personally use it. I have my helpers, Marina, to look after it. And then also I use the platform of Ranjo Ishi Udiyana Facebook page in Singapore. So please, everyone, be warned that this is Instagram or whatever, Facebook or whatever, is not me behind that. So please be aware of it and careful about these things. Don't fall for these traps. Yeah. And I would really like to thank everyone for your patience, for your kindness, for your goodwill, for your care and concerns. And I wish you all the best. I may not always have a voice message teachings or like that on the Facebook page available. So yeah, I wish you all the best and take care.